Guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Leonardo AI to generate images for social media. So what you have to do is to go to this website app.leonardo.ai, and then there are two ways you can go about it. You can just scroll down to explore the best images that have been created recently, or you can just create your own by choosing the image by clicking on this image button here, and then you would be brought to a page like this. Now you can go ahead to select a model or preset of your choice, but let's say I want the cinematic keynote model. Once you click on that, you will have to select your style, or you can leave it as it is. You have chosen the cinematic close-up style. Now you can or you can also choose your image dimension. You want it to be landscape 16:9. If you want to customize it, you can also customize it here, and you can also choose the number of images you want, and the contrast there, I want it to be medium. So once you've done that, you can now input your prompts in the image prompt bar here, and then click on generate. Now these are the images that I have downloaded or created rather, and you can see that they are different. So you can also choose these ones. I made them 9:16. All these are 9:16. Okay, I've been generating 9:16, which is the portrait model, but you can also choose the landscape model if you want. So this is how you can generate a social media image on Leonardo AI. Thank you very much, and do have a great day. Please subscribe and comment below.